أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن سلك مسلكه إلى يوم الدين. We give thanks to Almighty Allah for bringing to this event according to truth. We are here recently to commission a project related by Alaji Jile to the university community. And that project, like I said the other day, has emancipated university economically and has strengthened the university community financially. I want to appreciate Alaji Jile for what he's doing for Ogbomosho sons and daughters. He has identified with so many Ogbomosho sons and daughters in a different part of the world. He has contributed immensely to the growth of a lot of communities. He has donated generously to make sure every son and daughter that he knows is empowered economically. I continue to strengthen you, spare your lives for the development of Islam, especially, and humanity at large. Let me also congratulate the University Vice Chancellor. Indeed, you have proven to the whole world that you are a true son of Ogbomosho. Every son of Ogbomosho, that I know, they have always been distributing themselves wherever they find themselves. And this you are doing to us makes us proud of you. The mighty Allah continue to be with you, sir. Let me also appreciate this department for giving us the opportunity to donate. Because many times you want to give, and some people say, no, we don't want your gift. So it is good that you accept our gift, even though the gift is empowering your department. Psychology is a very important aspect of human life. I could remember vividly when I was in the university, I took so many courses in psychology. And that makes me remember Pavlov, Sigmund Freud, and lots of them. And because without psychology, I don't know how you can have a good reasoning and logical conclusion. So this department is doing well. Finally, before I say some prayers, let me request, though I've been saying this secretly to the Vice Chancellor, let me seize the opportunity to say it openly so that others will also help to talk to the Vice Chancellor, the University Community, and the Government Council that this faculty is a very important faculty in the development of human life. And without religion, there is no way we can inculcate adequate morals into the individual society. And that is why I want to encourage the Government Council and the Vice Chancellor to bring Islamic studies to this faculty. Islamic studies, Arabic studies. In fact, the law faculty that we are trying to establish, I would equally want to beg the Government Council to make it a combined honor, common and Islamic law. If LAUTECH will do it, LAUTECH may be the first university in the whole Southwest to have a combined honor in law in the whole Southwest. We have it in the North, we have it in the North, we have it in Kano and every other part of the North, but in Southwest, they do not have. Even the universities that have, they don't award it, they only offer it as courses. That's why you see students offering law in some universities like UI, UNILAG, that they have to go to Islamic Studies Department to borrow some courses so that they will be at par with their colleagues from other universities that are doing combined law. So, I'm seizing this opportunity to beg on behalf of the Ogbomosho Muslim community that this university will want the university to offer Islamic studies, Arabic studies, combined law, common and Islamic law, so that our people that are traveling to the Ilorin, to the north, to even outside Nigeria to study, can relax, have their courses taken in Latin, they have their life settled down here, and they will have to, they also have the opportunity to contribute to the development of Ogbomosho. So I beg you, sir, please communicate our mind to the government council and let it work out. We are ready to assist the university in any capacity to make sure we do come and not make it easy. Adúgbò lọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ tí Imam Olùbá wà níbí kan tí wọ́n bá ti ní kó ṣàgbá nínú training òun ní pé èdè ìlú ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ fi ṣe àgbà láti pàtó àkíní. Mo kí gbogbo wa pé àkúṣe ẹ̀ kí aláàjì ìdìbò pọ̀ fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àtàwọn míì náà tí wọ́n fi ṣe Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. Ọlọ́run bá yẹ lọ́la tó máa ń dúró tí kò ní fi nílẹ̀ ọlọ́run alẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe dáadáa fún yìí. Eléyìí tẹ́ ṣe fún psychology department yìí àkíyèbí ẹ̀ ṣe o. Alẹ́ psychology department ìgbégbà tá a la fẹ́ fún yìí lẹ́yìn náà gbà lórí ilé ẹni tó ń sàárà ẹni tó ṣe àbúrò sàárà tá a gbélé tá a rẹ̀ ni tó fẹ́ jẹ. Nítorí bẹ́ẹ̀ akíyèyí náà fẹ́ ṣe ń bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà. Àwa rọ̀ yìí ẹ lo kíní yìí dáadáa láti lè jẹ́ kó ṣàǹfààní fún àtàwọn ọmọ iléèwé àti olùkọ́. So Ọlọ́run ò ní fi ilẹ̀, Ọlọ́run àdé ṣàlékún dáadáa fún gbogbo yunifásitì lápapọ̀, Ọlọ́run àtúmọ̀lẹ̀ kó máa dàgbà sókè. Vice Chancellor àdúgbò lọ́dọ̀ yìí tí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kóríyá fáwọn ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ gbogbo ìgbà bẹ́ẹ̀ represent wa dáadáa. Ọlọ́run ò ní fẹ́ yín náà lẹ̀ lórí tẹ́ bá ń dé, Ọlọ́run ní dá yín padà sẹ́yìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń fẹ́ kó dáa tó Ọlọ́run àjẹ́ òdà jù bẹ́ẹ̀. Táà tó ń fẹ́ fún yín tẹ́ bá kú òǹbí òun làwọn appointment ní tó tún lálùbáríkà bí kan ní kẹ́ wá ṣe Minister Education, Minister Foreign Affairs, ẹ ti ẹ̀ máa dá ní Minister Foreign Affairs dáadáa. Irú àwọn nǹkan ìlà tó ń fẹ́ fún yín, Ọlọ́run tó ṣe lé àṣẹ yẹn náà lágbára Ọlọ́run àbá wa ṣe wọlé ìlànà ìjọba gbogbo àwọn àtàǹjẹ ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ gbogbo tá a bá dé láyé Ọlọ́run kò máa ṣàlékún àlùbáríkà wa. Àwa náà tá a kàn sọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ Ọlọ́run kò pọ́n wa náà lọ́wọ́. Àléfà àkọ́kọ́ ìṣẹ̀fẹ́ ṣe pọ̀ gan-an tó dẹ́kun gan rẹpẹtẹ Ọlọ́run yẹ ní ṣe o. Ẹ máa ń bá mi sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ẹ ní àlá àti ìran tó pọ̀ fáwọn èèyàn àti fún ìdàgbàsókè ìlú gbogbo ẹ̀tẹ́ ẹlẹ́lẹ́mìí pátá Ọlọ́run àjẹgẹ́ lè ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ibi tó wù yẹn ti wá Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́kọ́ náà bẹ dí o yóò máa pọ̀ sí. Ẹ bá ṣe ná mílíọ̀nù Ọlọ́run máa fi bílíọ̀nù pààrọ̀. Ẹ bá ṣe ná bílíọ̀nù Ọlọ́run máa fi tírílíọ̀nù pààrọ̀. Ẹ bá ṣe ná tírílíọ̀nù Ọlọ́run máa fi mọ̀tì tírílíọ̀nù pààrọ̀. Tá a wí Ọlọ́run wọlé àgbo lágbára láti ṣe máṣe àbáwá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún àwa náà Ọlọ́run fún alẹ́ mi ṣiṣẹ́ o má ṣe wá lẹ́ni tí ò ní lè ṣe ẹlòmíì náà ní ṣùgbọ́n kò fẹ́ ṣe ẹ̀mí ṣíṣe Ọlọ́run kò fà wá náà wàá dìgbà tó bá ní rẹpẹtẹ kó tó ṣe o bá tó ní ẹ̀ náà kò lè fi ran ẹlòmíì lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n máa lókè ní ọlọ́jẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣoríire o ọjọ́ kí wọ́n ní àlùbáríkà wala ilaha illallah اللهم انت امرتنا بدعائك ووعدتنا باجابتك دعوناك كما امرتنا فاستجب دعوتنا كما وعدتنا يا ذا الجلال والاكرام انك لا تخلف الميعاد ربنا اتنا في الدنيا حسنه وفي الاخره حسنه وقنا عذاب النار توفنا مسلمين والحقنا بصالحهم وامتنا بكونك لا اله الا الله محمد رسول الله سبحان ربك رب العزه عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thank you so much, our spiritual father.